बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम लेक्चर इकोनॉमिक्स की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे। आज जो हम बुक स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं वो है भट्टी सन्स की MCQs ऑब्जेक्टिव जो इकोनॉमिक्स के हैं वो हम स्टार्ट से शुरू करेंगे। इंशाल्लाह आपको मज़ीद भी इसमें वीडियो मिलेगी, क्योंकि पिछली दफ़ा जो लेक्चर का टेस्ट आया था सारे स्टूडेंट कहते हैं कि 50% जो है वो भट्टी सन्स की बुक से आया था। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारे पेपर की तैयारी भी इससे हो जाएगी और बुक का रिव्यू भी हो जाएगा। फर्स्ट टॉपिक है ग्रेट इकोनॉमिस्ट एंड देयर वर्क। एलिनियर ओस्ट्रोम एंड ओलिवियर विलियमसन आर द नोबेल प्राइज लिटरेचर इन इकोनॉमिक्स 2009। डू यू नो इन विच ईयर वाज फ्रांसिस्को क्वेसनीज टेबेलो इकोनॉमिकी पब्लिश्ड? 1758। इसका आंसर आइडेंटिफाई द ऑथर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी एंड टैक्सेशन डेविड रिकार्डो, who is generally recorded as the founder of classical school. Adam Smith. Identify the economist who had little formal education and started working in the money market at an early age of 14. David Ricardo. The labor of nature is paid not because she does much, but because she does little. In proportion as she becomes niggardly in her gift, she exacts a greater price for her work. Who made this observation? लोडर डेली। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है हु फर्स्ट रेज फियर ऑफ वर्ल्ड फूड शॉर्टेज? तो इसका आंसर है TR माल्थस। व्हेन वाज एडम स्मिथ मेजर वर्क एन इंक्वायरी इनटू द नेचर एंड causes of wealth of nation published 1776. The real price of everything, what everything really costs to men who want to require it, is the toil and trouble of acquiring it. Who made this statement? Adam Smith. Rent is creation of value, not the wealth. Who made this observation? David Ricardo. In which year the first volume of Das Kapital by Karl Marx published 1867. The Critic of Political Economy, the first fruit of Karl Marx's long painstaking research at the British Museum, appeared in 1859. Question number 12 है The Communist Manifesto, written jointly by Marx and Hegel, was published in 1848. Who started explicitly for the first time the law of comparative cost? David Ricardo इसका आंसर है। Identify the school founded by William Rocher, historical school. One of the following economists do not belong to the Austrian school. Identify them. J.S. Mill जो है वो ऑस्ट्रियंस नहीं थे, बाकी कार्ल मुंगर, F. वॉन वाइजर, E. वॉन बोम बेवर ये थे ऑस्ट्रियन स्कूल से। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग थ्योरीज ऑफ ट्रेड साइकिल वाज propounded by W.S. Ivan's sunspot theory? Question number 17 है what was the nationality of Frederick List, German? The purchasing power party theory came into prominence in 1916 through the writing of Gustav Castle. The input-output analysis owes its origin and development to W.W. Leontief, who wrote an introduction to positive economics. R.G. Gillespie. Identify the author of mathematical analysis for economists. R.G.D. Allen. Question number 22 है which of the following correct match R.F. Harrod income money? Who among the following were known economists graduated from the London School of Economics and Callender? The strategy of economic development is the work of A.O. Hirschman, who is the author of Problem of Countries or Narcissi. Formation in unapplied countries, Roger Narcissi जो था। Identify the work of Ivan Fisher, The Making of Index Number. The who wrote There are no longer any believer in laissez-faire except on the Atlantic Front. The truth is that we are all planner now. W.A. Lewis, who coined the phrase a temporary abode of purchasing power while explaining the concept of money. Milton Friedman, who developed the Keynesian theory of distribution and Callender identified the economists who propounded the liquidity preference theory of interest. J.M. Keynes, who one among the following does not match Jagdish Bhagwa, Princeton. Who of the following is not the work of J.B. Clark, Economics of Overhead Cost? फिलोसफी ऑफ वेल्थ कंट्रोल ऑफ ट्रस्ट द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मोनोपली, ये सारे हैं जो है थे ये जे.बी. क्लार्क के वर्क थे, लेकिन इकोनॉमिक्स ऑफ ओवरहेड कॉस्ट उसका वर्क नहीं था. आइडेंटिफाई द इकोनॉमिस्ट हु प्रोपोनेट द टाइम प्रेफरेंस थ्योरी ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, बोम बेयर्क. Who developed the concept of representative firm, Alfred Marshall. Identify the work of T. Shuttles, Transforming Traditional Agriculture. Which of the following does not match M. Ambient economic theory and underdeveloped region? Which of the following Alfred Marshall work was first published? The Pure Theory of Foreign Trade. Who first used the term Cosy rent? Alfred Marshall. How old was Alfred Marshall when he died? 82-year-old. Among the following Nobel Prize winner for economics, one is an Austrian school economist. Identify him. F. A. von Hayek. Who used the term consumption capital for consumer good? Alfred Marshall. Whose words are these? We might as reasonable dispute whether it is the upper or the under blade of a pair of scissors that cut a piece of paper as whether value is governed by utility or cost of production. Alfred Marshall. Who introduced the concept of elasticity of demand into economic theory? Alfred Marshall. Thought of concept of consumer surplus can be traced back to the French engineer economist Dupuit. It was another economist who gave a pricey formulation starting the necessary assumption of this concept. Identified the economist Alfred Marshall. Who succeeded Alfred Marshall as professor of political economy at Cambridge? A.C. Pigot. Which one among the following does not match W. S. Dowen Historical School? Identify the Indian economist who was given an, ये मुझे वर्ड समझ नहीं आ रहा, knighthood by the British government in 1990 for his wide range contribution to education, development, economics and finance. I. G. Patel. Identify the author of Poverty Under British Rule in India. इसका कट गया, मैं बुक से देख के बताती हूँ. 48. इसका है दादा भाई नौरोजी. आइडेंटिफाई द ऑथर ऑफ पॉवर्टी अंडर ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया, दादा भाई नौरोजी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 49. कैपिटल एंड डेवलपमेंट प्लानिंग इज वर्क ऑफ एस. चक्रवर्ती. Who is the author of Choice of Technique? Amartya Sen. Identify the author of Employment Aspect of Planning Under Developed Countries. K. N. Raj. Identify the author of The Trade Cycle. R. C. Matthews. The theory of monopolistic competition was developed in the 1930s almost simultaneously and identified by two well-known economists. One is E. H. Chamberlain, who was the other John Robinson. Which of the following is not the work of J. A. Schumpeter? रीडिंग एंड इकोनॉमिक्स और थ्योरी ऑफ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट भी उसका काम था. हिस्ट्री ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस और बिजनेस साइकिल शुम्पीटर ने दिए थे, लेकिन रीडिंग एंड इकोनॉमिक्स उसका काम नहीं था. हु इज़ द ऑथर ऑफ कैपिटलिज्म, यस्टरडे एंड टुडे? एम. डॉब. आइडेंटिफाई द वर्क ऑफ अमर्त्य सेन. एम्प्लॉयमेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड डेवलपमेंट. ये इसका आंसर है, इधर नज़र नहीं आ रहा, पिक में नहीं आया. Question number 57. Identify the nationality of 1977 economist Nobel Prize winner Bertil Ohlin. Swedish, यानी वो स्वीडिश था, स्विट्ज़रलैंड का था. Which one of the following has been the most influential work of H.W. Knight? Risk, Uncertainty and Profit. Who first formulated the revealed preference approach to free the theory of consumer behavior from the constraint of traditional concept of utility, Paul A. Samuelson. Which of the following is the work of H.G. Chamberlain? Theory of monopolistic competition toward a more general theory of value, the economic analysis of labor union power. All of these comes. Identify the author of social framework, J.R. Hicks, who is the particular advocate in the long-term capital gain tax. Answer in Sky and Callender. Which of the following is the work of Paul Barron, The Political Economy of Growth? Which of the following is the name of Jacob Wiener's associated singular factorial term of trade? Who first formulated the marginal productivity theory of distribution? J.B. Clark. Which of the one of the following is work of A.C. Pico, Economic of Welfare? Who is the author of famous work Asian Drama, An Inquiry into the Causes of Poverty of Nation? Gunnar Myrdal. Who among the following served as Professor of Economics at Harvard? E.H. Chamberlain. The Cambridge School referred to the group of English economists who came under the influence of Alfred Marshall. The modern or neo-Keynesian theory of interest owes to development largely to the effort of J.R. Hicks, who wrote Economics of Imperfect Competition. John Robinson. Gunnar Myrdal was awarded Nobel Prize in Economics in 1974. What is his nationality? Swedish. Who started explicitly for the first time the law of comparative cost in the context of theory of international trade? David Ricardo. With which of the following concept is the name of J.M. Keynes particularly associated? All of the above. कौन से थे? Marginal propensity to save, marginal propensity to consume, liquidity preference. Identify the author of The Affluent Society, J.K. Galbraith. Who wrote a contribution to the theory of trade cycle? J.R. Hicks. Who among the following Nobel Prize winner is American economist Lawrence Klein? The General Theory of Employment, Trust and Money is the major work of J.M. Keynes. At which university was W. Leontief appointed professor economics in 1946? University of Yale. Who among the following economists is not the Nobel Prize winner? जॉन रॉबिन्सन जो थे उनको नोबेल प्राइज़ नहीं मिला, बाकी पॉल ए सैमुएल्सन, साइमन कोजेन, रॉबर्ट एम सोलो, इन तीनों को नोबेल प्राइज़ इकोनॉमिक्स में मिला है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट द वर्क ऑफ पॉल ए सैमुएल्सन? हिस्ट्री ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस उसकी नहीं थी. फाउंडेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस इनकी थी. रीडिंग इन इकोनॉमिक्स और लीनियर प्रोग्राम एंड इकोनॉमिक एनालिसिस इनकी वर्क था इनका. Which of the following Paul Samuelson award Nobel Prize for the Economics 1970? ये क्वेश्चन जब मैंने 2015 में टेस्ट दिया था तो ये आया था कि in which year was Paul Samuelson awarded the Nobel Prize for Economics 1970? Identify the economists who first developed the theory of income determination in modern form. J.M. Keynes. Question number 85 है how many economists are awarded the Nobel Prize for Economics in 1993? तो ये थे हमारे पास जो टॉपिक था हमारे पास ग्रेट इकोनॉमिस्ट एंड देयर वर्क. अगली वीडियो में हम इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में सारे MCQ सॉल्व करेंगे. अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको तमाम वीडियो पर वक्त मिले तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.